Pangalan ba ng team?
So guys, again, now that you've been given whiteboards, what's gonna happen is my DJ again has prepared a set of 10 songs. Spelling wrong. For example, guys, listen. For example, is humble by Kendrick Lamar. It's so many prizes tonight. You're gonna have to work for it. At the end of the song, my DJ will play the song. At the end of the song, while doing so, it's -5 to the score. Okay? So, I told you guys earlier, I want all the details right.